Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
It's a foggy day. What should you do if you have to park your car on the road? A. Leave the car's headlights on. B. Leave the car's parking lights on. C. Leave the car's hazard warning lights on. D. Leave the car's fog lights on. The correct answer is B. Leave the car's parking lights on. Explanation. It's especially dangerous to park on the road in fog. If it's unavoidable, then leave your parking lights switched on. You have to make a journey in fog. What's the most important thing you should do before you set out? A. Check the battery is fully charged. B. Make sure your lights are working. C. Top up the radiator with antifreeze. D. Make sure you have a warning triangle. The correct answer is B. Make sure your lights are working. Explanation. Before starting any journey, make sure your windows and mirrors are clean and your lights are working. You need to be able to see clearly and be seen by other road users. This is especially important when visibility is reduced, as in fog or heavy rain. What should you do when it's windy and you overtake a motorcyclist? A. Pass close to shield the rider. B. Overtake slowly. C. Sound your horn. D. Allow extra room. The correct answer is D. Allow extra room. Explanation. You need to allow extra room in case the side wind blows the rider across the lane and into your path. Additionally, the draft from your vehicle could further buffet and unbalance the rider. You're driving at night. What should you do if the headlights of a following vehicle are causing dazzle? A. Brake sharply to a stop. B. Set your mirror to anti-dazzle. C. Switch your high-intensity rear fog lights on and off. D. Adjust your mirror to dazzle the other driver. The correct answer is B. Set your mirror to anti-dazzle. Explanation. The interior mirror of most vehicles can be set to the anti-dazzle position. You'll still be able to see the lights of the traffic behind you, but the dazzle will be greatly reduced. You're driving past a line of parked cars. What should you do if a ball suddenly bounces out into the road ahead? A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Continue driving at the same speed and sound your horn. C. Stop and move the ball onto the pavement. D. Continue driving at the same speed and flash your headlights. The correct answer is A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. Explanation. If a ball bounces out from the pavement, slow down and be ready to stop. Don't encourage anyone to step into the road to retrieve it, as other road users might not have seen the situation and may be unable to stop if someone steps into the road. You're about to drive home. What should you do if you feel very tired and have a severe headache? A. Wait for a short time, then drive home slowly. B. Wait until you feel fit and well before driving. C. Drive home if you can stay awake for the journey. D. Drive home after taking medicine for your headache. The correct answer is B. Wait until you feel fit and well before driving. Explanation. All your concentration should be on your driving. Any pain you feel will distract you, and you should avoid driving when drowsy. The safest course of action is to wait until you've rested and feel better. What should a driver do if they've had a few alcoholic drinks at a party? A. Go home by public transport. B. Have a strong cup of coffee and then drive home. C. Wait a short while and then drive home. D. Drive home carefully and slowly. The correct answer is A. Go home by public transport. Explanation. A driver who's been drinking alcohol should go home by public transport or taxi. Alcohol takes time to leave the body and someone might remain unfit to drive even the day after drinking it. How can you avoid wheel spin when you're driving on an icy road? A. Drive in a low gear at all times. B. Use the parking brake if the wheels start to slip. C. Brake gently and repeatedly. D. Drive at a slow speed, in as high a gear as possible. The correct answer is D. Drive at a slow speed, in as high a gear as possible. Explanation. If you're traveling on an icy road, extra care will be required to avoid loss of control. Keeping your speed down and using the highest gear you can will reduce the risk of the tires losing their grip on this slippery surface. What will reduce the risk of whiplash injury? A. A correctly adjusted head restraint. B. An air-sprung seat. C. Anti-lock brakes. D. A collapsible steering wheel. The correct answer is A. A correctly adjusted head restraint. Explanation. If you're involved in a collision, a correctly adjusted head restraint will reduce the risk of neck and back injury. It may not be effective if it's not properly adjusted. What should you do if a person herding sheep asks you to stop? A. Continue on but drive slowly. B. Stop and switch off your engine. C. Ignore them, as they have no authority. D. Try to get past quickly. The correct answer is B. Stop and switch off your engine. Explanation. If you can assist someone moving sheep along the road by stopping and turning off your engine, then do so. This will help to reduce the time it takes to move the sheep and clear the road.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.